Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. Account hitting new all-time high. WorldCoin pumped another 30% yesterday. Now more than up 200% since we bought it. Dogecoin pumped, Pocket pumped, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals for Bitcoin 51,844, still in the second to third impulse wave in my belief. Stochastic going up, volume going up, everything looking good. Weekly stochastic heading up, volume heading up. Crypto Guru Bot still says blue buy, which it fired on 2023 February. Bitcoin indicator bot fires a sell at 48k on the ETF, no buy yet. You get those two indicators in the Crypto Master course, number 2 in the description. Daily time frame, I'm seeing a bull flag here. Bull flag that's holding. It's a bull flag that's holding. The distance that we should move is the distance of the pole of the flag, this distance here, which should be taking us to around 61k, which was my original target many months ago. If you remember, 4 hourly heading down. We broke out of this. You could say that's a bull flag. Where I'll take a long on Bitcoin is in case it pulls back to the bottom of the flag before pumping out here. Tight stop loss. And take profit 61k. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin coming out of the bull flag on this double top. There's a clear double top on 52k here. That's a double top on the 4 hourly. Shit. Let's go into the hourly. Yep, double top on Bitcoin. Lower high, but no big pullback yet. Let's see if we can get a bounce, but that is a clear double top. Usually double tops are the peaks. 1, 2. We really need to get a push out now to remain bullish on Bitcoin. Opening the trade 50,795, stop loss 50,580, take profit 61k. Risk to reward is 48 times, risking 250 to make 10,507 with no leverage. 100x, 10x leverage, $105,000 profits, 100x leverage, $1 million profits. That's a trade I would take, opening at 50,795. My Bitcoin trade is currently $96,248%. $96,237 in the profits, 779%, which is beautiful. This account, 632,000, and now it's actually, I'm holding the dollar equivalent, 632,000 USD, up from 150,000 USD in October last year, and up from this week from the last 7 days from 580,000 to now 630,000. So so I made $52,000 so far in the last 7 days. Last week it was $80,000, which is beautiful. In here I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 103,000. Doge 64,000, up 5%. Doge pumping like I predicted. USDT 61,000. Uniswap 55,000, up 1%. FXS 55,000, up 4%. Pocket 47,000, up 20%. Pocket 47,000 with 20% up. MCRT 46,000, down 2%, but up. WorldCoin 38,000, up 31%. I turned 10k or 12k into 38,000, which is beautiful. And same with my Bitcoin trade. Actually, this Bitcoin trade 96,000 plus I already took $10,500 profit. So it's technically $107,000 profit from $12,000 trade. I made $107,000 profit, and this account, amazing. If you've been following the journey of this account, 632,000. Pocket and WorldCoin making those moves. WorldCoin just exploding out of where I said, if you followed my videos, we're buying it at $2.50 in February, and now it is at $7.70. So the total move is 208%. It also smashed through my targets, my blue line targets. Smashed through the $6.10 as well. Now it's price finding. There's no resistance now. We've come to a resistance of $7.70, but really there's no resistance. There's no previous point where WorldCoin was higher than it is now, and buying volume is coming in more. Crazy gains in just a few days, 208%. Congratulations. I called this world pump perfectly. You can follow me, James Crypto Guru, on X. I have 83,000 followers on there, people calling me Nostradamus. You can see Doge, this is 5 days ago. Doge from my video today. Let's see if it will get a breakout. This was at 81 cents, and Doge has now broken out. I tweeted about it 23 minutes ago. Doge retest and breakout bounced with volume. It's already up from 80 cents to 89 cents. But we got that bounce with volume on the breakout. Volume on World Token growing. WorldCoin main target $6.10. This was 3 days ago when WorldCoin was at $3.80. And now we're already at $7.70. Who saw my tweets and talked about it on my videos? Who bought WorldCoin? Let me know in the comment section. $7.70. I was talking about this 3 days ago when it was at $3.80 WorldCoin, and I said volume on World growing, main target $6.10, blue lines are heavy resistance, and we just smashed through that. That tweet got 24,000 views. Beautiful Pocket and WorldCoin, 29% on World yesterday, 21% on Pocket, 5% on Doge, 4.8% on FXS. Congratulations. And if you look at this, my post on the 8th of the 2nd, and look at the difference in the prices, it's crazy. For example, WorldCoin $7.60. When I posted this on the 8th of the 2nd, so the 8th of February, just a few days ago, WorldCoin was $2.30. $2.30, now $7.60. Pocket, when I posted this, was $2.22. Pocket now 29 cents. You can just see here, FXS $9.40. FXS when I posted $9.40. World, go baby, congratulations. WorldCoin, congratulations, all of you. Congratulations, all of you, on that amazing pump on World, Pocket, Bitcoin, account hitting new all-time high. Congratulations, everyone. And if you want to do what I'm doing here, underneath the video, go down below under the video. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a 30,000 US dollar bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses, the crypto master courses, where you get the Bitcoin indicator bot, the crypto guru bot, and you get the courses to learn how to do technical analysis, open longs and shorts, and everything you're seeing here. And then join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Those are my updates in the market. Congratulations, everyone on World, Pocket, Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and let me know in the comment section, did you buy World, did you buy Pocket, and how are your gains doing? Congratulations, all of you. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Join us in the Telegram, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.